Hi, lovely people. Together with me, Dimas Yunani at Kadut Attention Channel. Today, I will show you how to cook Kotopulu Portokali. It's mean chicken orange. I prepare two bigger chicken breasts. One piece 300 gram, both is 600 gram. Salt and black pepper, olive oil, orange or in Greek portokali, parsley, anto leaf, carrot, onion, red pepper powder, and oregano. Now we start to fry chicken breast with olive oil. Okay, I put chicken, make fried but not well done. Kotopulu, return like this, the chicken breast, orange will be ready on 40 minutes. I close. Lovely people, to make your kitchen not make mess, before we turn, we must close first the fire. And now we turn. See, little bit brown. And we open again the fire. We close again. Lovely people, this is a Greek food, Kotopulu Portokali, chicken orange. We prepare until ready is need time 40 minutes. We close again the fire. We turn again the other side. Lovely. Now we open. And you see, brownie, a bit brown, and I put in the other plate first before I do it for onion and friend. Onion, lovely. Bit more olive oil. Now carrot and red pepper. We put again the chicken, both, lovely. Now orange, 4 orange, almost with 300 milliliter, and we leave it till 20 minutes. We close, we wait till 20 minutes. We give black pepper, half teaspoon, alright, lovely, salt, half teaspoon, grated oregano, pepper powder, half teaspoon, parsley, right, and olive, stirred bit, lovely, Kotopulu, orange, Kotopulu, chicken breast, orange, Kotopulu Portokali. Now we'll be ready on 10 minutes more. We close again. Kotopulu Portokali is ready to serve. Lovely. You see the sauce. Lovely people, don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. Always come in your house every time you need. The last I give Anto. Salam Indonesia. You can see, little people, Kotopulu Portokali or chicken orange now ready to come to your house. See you, mother recipe. Bye.